All right, so number 13. So here I give you f prime of x. So f prime of x, I say, is equal to x minus 3 squared times x plus 1 cubed times x plus 4. And I ask you, find where f of x is increasing and where it's decreasing. So the idea here is you're going to have to do the sign chart, but just on this thing. So this problem is actually kind of easy. So critical points, that's the first thing I need to look for. Well, x minus 3 squared could be equal to 0, so that gives x equals 3. X plus 1 cubed will give me x minus 1, or x equals minus 1. And then the x plus 4 bit will give me x is equal to minus 4. So I'm going to plug all these values in. Minus 4, minus 1, 3, to infinity. And I get each of my pieces. So x minus 3 squared times x plus 1 cubed times x plus 4. And then I'm going to have f prime of x, the function that I started with. And I'm going to see where everything is positive or negative. So x minus 3, because it's squared, is always positive. Right? Square a number and it's positive. That's just a true fact. This plus 1 looks like a weird 4. Let me fix that. X plus 1 all cubed. So because it's cubed, wherever x plus 1 is negative, x plus 1 cubed is going to be negative, and vice versa. So if x plus 1, if I plug in something smaller than minus 1, I'm going to get a negative number. If I plug in something bigger, like 0, I get positive, positive. And then for x plus 4, if I plug in, say, minus 5, I get a negative. If I plug in anything bigger, I get a positive. And therefore, we end up with plus, minus, plus, plus. So then where is it increasing? Basically everywhere. Minus infinity to minus 4, together with minus 1 to 3, together with 3 to infinity, and it's decreasing from minus 4 to 1, minus 1. And that's your final answer. So again, here I just give you the derivative and tell you what to do with it, or ask you what to do with it. And I could similarly ask a problem that says, here's the second derivative. Figure out where it's concave up, concave down. And I could also potentially give these to you and ask you to graph the function. So I could give you f prime f and f prime prime, and I could ask you to use those to graph a function.